Breakfast: energizing oatmeal ingredients, rolled oats, almond milk, fresh berries, chia seeds, and a scoop of whey protein. Nutritional info: approximately 2,200 kilojoules, 10 grams fat, 25 grams protein, 500 calories. Benefits: provides sustained energy, rich in protein for muscle repair, and antioxidants from berries. Mid-morning snack: crunchy nut and fruit mix ingredients, almonds, walnuts, dried cranberries, and a banana. Nutritional info: approximately 900 kilojoules, 15 grams fat, 6 grams protein, 220 calories. 3. Hydration: drink 500 milliliters of water. Lunch: grilled chicken salad ingredients, grilled chicken breast, mixed salad greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and balsamic dressing. Nutritional info: approximately 1,500 kilojoules, 20 grams fat, 35 grams protein, 360 calories. Vitamins and benefits: vitamins A, C, E from veggies, healthy fats from avocado. Afternoon snack: Greek yogurt and honey ingredients, plain Greek yogurt, honey, mixed nuts. Nutritional info: approximately 800 kilojoules, 8 grams fat, 20 grams protein, 190 calories. 3. Hydration: drink 250 milliliters of water. Dinner: salmon with quinoa and steamed veggies ingredients, grilled salmon, cooked quinoa, steamed broccoli, and carrots. Nutritional info: approximately 2,000 kilojoules, 22 grams fat, 30 grams protein, 480 calories. Vitamins and benefits: omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, high in protein. Evening snack: cottage cheese and fruit. 1. Ingredients: 200 grams low-fat cottage cheese, fr 300 grams fresh fruit chunks. Nutritional info: approximately 600 kilojoules, 2 grams fat, 15 grams protein, 140 calories. 3. Hydration: drink a glass of water before bed. Hydration throughout the day: aim for at least 3 liters of water throughout the day to stay hydrated, especially before and after your walk and stretching sessions. Vitamin requirements and benefits: Vitamin D, important for bone health. Get your dose from sunlight during your morning walk. Magnesium, aids in muscle recovery. Found in nuts, whole grains, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C, supports immune function and skin health. Abundant in fruits and vegetables included in your meals. Sleep and rest: aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to recover and prepare for the next day. Consider a 20-minute power nap if you feel drained in the afternoon, but avoid napping too late in the day. You've taken the first step on a transformative journey. Each day is a building block towards a healthier, more energetic you. Embrace the changes, and remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Celebrate every victory, and keep pushing forward with enthusiasm and determination. This example can serve as a template for the rest of your 2-week plan, adjusting meal compositions and exercise routines as necessary. Remember, variety in your diet will keep it interesting and help ensure you get a broad range of nutrients. Stay committed, stay patient, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. Subscribe and turn on notifications now, so you don't miss out on transforming your body and mind with the perfect synergy of exercise and nutrition. See you in the next video with Day 2 Nutrition Plan.